Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers, a roofing company. Today we are in Bergen County, New Jersey, Crestkill, with another project of a power roofing replacement. So this power roofing is damaged, so it doesn't work. So we have brand new one, owner supplied. So we will supply the shingle and the labor. So here we go with this power roofing project. So at this point now, the power roofing is loose from the roof, and now we are working on the wiring. So we are unplug the power roofing, the old one, and so we're not gonna use any more those wire, because the new one, it will use different system. So Three Brothers are roofing, ongoing with the power roofing replacement. At this point, we have the new power roofing. This power roofing, owner supplied it. So because usually we suggest GIF. So, but the owners, they bought their own power roofing. So we are doing the labor. So right here, we have ready the old one to remove it. All right, good to go. So at this point, we install ice shield base layers to protect the plywood, and now we're gonna unbox the new power roofing owner supplied. Okay, so we have the new power roofing unboxed. So at this point now we are ready for the installation, and as I mentioned, these power roofing are using different system, so it will go directly to the outlet. Okay, so at this point now the power roofing is installed, and we nail it around. So make sure when the power roofing will start working, it doesn't shake it. So it's secure, good to go. Next step, the shingle installation. So at this point, the power roofing has been installed, and now we are reinstall the ceiling ridge, the caps along the hip. And next step, install the cap of the new power roofing, and good to go. This project will be completed. At this point now we are ready to install the cap. So here we go with the cap installation, and this project will be completed. Another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing Company. See you guys tomorrow. Chop chop.